Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club. I'm so excited to announce our newest box. It's our August box. It's called Pool Party. And I want to dive in and show you how fun all the recipes are and the decorating that the kids are going to get to do. Don't forget, if you sign up right now, you not only get this box, but you also get a free apron for your kids. And if you sign up for our annual membership, you not only get the apron, but you also get our t-shirt. So let me show you all the fun things that are in our Pool Party box for this month. So here's our first recipe. It's called Splish Splash Cupcakes. Remember, you always have all the how to do step by step with photos, with the ingredients you need, and then the takeout tools that you need to make. Then we're making Poolside Popsicle cookies. Don't those look amazing? And we're making a Pool Party Luau pizza. This pizza is so delicious. The kids are gonna have so much fun making the crust. This is our cool down cake pops. Oh my goodness, they are so cute and so fun and actually easy to make. And our dive-in barbecue chicken sliders. These are also fun to make for the kids, and they get to be the ones making dinner for the family. We always have our fun game or our baking lesson. This is called Baker's Dozen Lingo game. And of course, we always include your ingredient list, but we also give you a printable list on our online resources. All our decorating videos are on our online resources. You'll get your baking cups. These are those bright blue, grease-free cupcake liners. Also, this bright blue has so much food color gel in there. Here is your cake pop sticks that you need. This is your Popsicle cookie cutter. Isn't it adorable? Made in the United States. I love that. And here we have our 3 decorating bags, and we always include our rubber bands so that the icing doesn't go the other direction. We're also including some cool pool stickers so that you can maybe make a gift bag and give it to somebody. And then we also have our how to treat your supplies. And we always include our pool party theme card, which says what we're baking, what we're decorating, what we're educating. And on the back, it shows you have online resources to go to, our live baking classes, more recipes on our blog, and then our private Facebook group. And you know that every single box we sell goes to support Voices for Children. And along with your box, I am doing something very special for all of our kids that are going to be e-learning at home starting this fall. I want to come in and teach you guys baking skills because you learn math skills, science skills, literacy skills, social skills, team building, planning, and so much more, and confidence. And I want to come, so every week, every Tuesday, every Thursday, I'm going to be going live at 12 noon Pacific time, 3 p.m. Eastern time, and I'm going to teach kids the love of baking. So go to our Kids Baking page on your Facebook and you will see in events or videos, all the different videos and events that were coming up. So I can't wait for you to join me. It's gonna be a lot of fun.